welcome to my channel. Are you considering purchasing a vehicle from Copart USA but unsure about the fees and charges involved? In this video, I'll break down the costs associated with buying a car from Copart USA so you can make an informed decision. Let's get started. Section 1. Introduction to Copart USA. Copart USA is a popular online car auction platform that offers a wide range of vehicles at competitive prices. However, like any other car buying experience, there are fees and charges associated with purchasing a vehicle from Copart USA. Section 2. Breakdown of fees and charges. Here are the typical fees and charges you can expect when buying a car from Copart USA. Buyer fee. A percentage-based fee charged on the purchase price of the vehicle. Document fee. A flat fee for processing and preparing documents. Delivery fee. A fee for transporting the vehicle to your desired location. Storage fee. A fee for storing the vehicle if you don't pick it up immediately. Sales tax. Applicable taxes on the purchase price of the vehicle. Section 3. Understanding the fees. Let's take a closer look at each fee and how it's calculated. Buyer fee typically ranges between 5-10% of the purchase price. Document fee, usually a flat fee around $100, $200. Delivery fee varies depending on distance and location. Storage fee, daily or monthly fee depending on storage duration. Sales tax varies depending on your state or local tax rate. Section 4. Tips and considerations. Here are some tips and considerations to keep in mind when buying a car from Copart USA. Factor in all fees and charges when bidding on a vehicle. Consider the total cost of ownership, including ongoing expenses like insurance and maintenance. Research and compare prices to ensure you're getting a good deal. Carefully review and understand the terms and conditions of your purchase. Understanding the fees and charges associated with buying a car from Copart USA can help you make a more informed decision and avoid any unexpected costs. Remember to factor in all fees and charges when bidding on a vehicle. If you have limited funds and you don't want Nigerian car dealers to exploit you as a first-time car buyer, then you'll need to always watch the videos I post every day on this channel. And you'll need to know what your favorite car dealers know. You'll need to know how they normally import those foreign used cars you always admire at their car stands to Nigeria. Let me reveal something to you. I've been in the car importation industry since 2008. And I can confidently tell you that almost all the popular car dealers, offline and online, get their foreign used cars from either Burger Auto Market, Lagos, or Copart USA. You can make a quick Google search to confirm this by yourself. Now, the sweet thing is that getting it directly from Copart is always cheaper. And importing a car from Copart USA to Nigeria is not hard. You just need to know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget that will bring any car you want down from Copart and clear it in Nigeria. That's just it. Your favorite car dealers are not doing anything special. They just know the 4 simple car importation stages involved and the right way to calculate the exact budget for any car they want and make it fall within the budget they give you or the budget they want. Copart is your virtual car stand, with hundreds of thousands of cars all lined up waiting for you. The only thing you have to do is just pick the car or cars you want, win the bid for them, or use the buy now option if you don't like stress. Make your payment. Then send the cars down to Nigeria while your clearing agent takes care of the clearing process when the car finally arrives in Lagos Port, Nigeria. But don't get too excited. Importing your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria yourself is worth it. But you'll have to be patient enough to have the car sent from Copart to Lagos Port within an average of 6 to 9 weeks and also be ready to pay above car stand prices sometimes. However, the good thing about importing your first car from Copart to Nigeria yourself is that you're getting exactly what you like without anyone adding unnecessary profit margins here and there. If you want to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone, then you can either check out the video I left in the description or the one that will pop up on your screen towards the end of this video to see how you too can import your first car from Copart USA to Nigeria without the assistance of anyone. The video clearly breaks down the 4 simple car importation stages all your favorite Nigerian car dealers follow when they want to import any car from USA to Nigeria. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.